Dear Cheri, someone told me it's important to make butter, oil, or other infusions from cannabis because just eating the plant can be harmful. But then I found another article that makes capsules from ground up decarboxylated flowers. I am so confused. Which is right? Well, if you're confused, you're not alone. There definitely is a lot of inaccurate and conflicting information about cannabis out there. That's one of the reasons I started doing these videos, so hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell, because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. It's also why I created my online courses, just because of that. There's so much conflicting information out there. Now, eating the cannabis plant, whether it's raw or decarboxylated, either way, it is not harmful. So that little bit of information you got is way off the mark. That said, some people do say that it's difficult for them to digest. So some people have mild stomach indigestion or discomfort. These people may also have trouble digesting other fibrous vegetables and plants. But if you have tried eating or cooking with cannabis buds as opposed to making an infusion and you haven't had any trouble, then you're just fine. Otherwise, you'll probably do better with an infusion. So see the links below because I'm going to have more information to both methods of cooking with cannabis, either infusions or just using the buds, because you can do either. But the bottom line is eating the plant is not harmful. Eat your weed.